Yeah, umbrella policy. Yes, umbrella policy give you extra protection for those gap. Auto insurance policy have no cover, or those gap home insurance policy haven't cover. So umbrella policy help you to have peace of mind. So if you are good financially, it's good to have umbrella policy in the side of your regular policy. Come on guys, as I used to say, it's a good time. Okay, we are looking to recruiting people right now. So whoever know, you can be a good business owner tomorrow, you know. So it's a good opportunity to try your chance to see what tomorrow reserve for you. Okay, so peace out guys, reach me whenever you have question. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye.